Despite speculation linking Bongani Zungu, the former Melody Sundowns midfielder, to a move to Kaizer Chiefs, sources within the club have refuted any ongoing negotiations. Chiefs coaching staff, focused on alternative priorities, reportedly does not see Zungu as a suitable addition to their squad at this time. Currently a free agent, Zungu has faced challenges in his search for a new team. He recently completed a trial with Moroccan champions Wydad Casablanca under former Sundowns coach Rolani Mokoena. However, concerns regarding his fitness following a prolonged break from competitive play since May 2024 were cited as the main reason a contract offer did not materialize. The sources at Chiefs have reiterated that no talks have taken place with Zungu. According to Farpost, Chiefs already have a strong lineup of defensive midfielders, including Jabulo Bloom, recently on loan from St. Louis City SC in the MLS, alongside Samkelo Zwane and Sibongiseni Mthethwa. While Mthethwa has yet to make his debut under new head coach Nasruddin Nabi, he remains a competitive presence, vying for his spot on the pitch. Zungu's career journey has been marked by achievements both locally and internationally. He rejoined Sundowns in 2022 after spending 6 years in Europe, where he played for Vitória, Guimarães in Portugal, Amiens SC in France, and Rangers in Scotland. However, since his departure from Sundowns, the veteran midfielder has struggled to secure a new contract, leaving his future uncertain. Reports suggest that Zungu has also been in discussions with clubs in the Gulf region, though no agreements have been reached. As the season advances, Zungu remains a free agent, awaiting a new opportunity to bring his experience back onto the field. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.